Hello, hello, hello.
Well, here's the next victim. This one was an Audition model SWR-28. This one belongs to a friend. He wants me to take a look at it. According to him, he says that the antenna tuner section of this ain't working. I'm not sure. It could be a switch. It could be wire loose or off, or diode blown or something. Who knows? But I'm going to take this little rig apart and see if we can find out what's wrong with this one. Alright, got the meter taken apart there now. There's the turn the tuner off and on. And all she uses for tuning, she had two capacitors, and she uses one small coil. At first glance, I don't really see any problem with this. All the wires are attached and diodes and everything check out fine. But obviously there's something not right with the tuner. It don't tune very well. So I was taking a quick look and see what I can find. But as of now, I don't see anything wrong. I'm going to hook up to me Cobra and see. Maybe what he's trying to tune is too high of SWR for this small tuner to actually handle, so we'll see now. Well, there we are, over 2000, and there's the old tuner there again. The tuner is actually functioning here. Here's with the tuner on. Got about 1.2 SWR. And with the tuner off, it's almost 1.8. So the tuner is actually functioning properly. I think what the problem is he's trying to use this antenna tuner with more SWR than what it can handle. The tuner only has a small little coil in it, so you're only going to get so much induction there. So if you try changing the coil, you could effectively change the amount of, or the range of SWR this thing can actually handle. But as she sits there now, the small coil that's actually in this tuner can't handle the SWR which he wants it to tune. The coil is down there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's just below that blue electrical capacitor, directly underneath that. It's only a small coil. Got about, needs 6 or 7 turns. I'm thinking I could put a bigger coil on there. It would help. I'm going to give the man a jingling and see if he wants me to change the coil and see. But as it sits there now, this tuner is specifically made for CB radio, and you're trying to use it on 20 meters, I believe, 14 megs, and this tuner just can't handle that, can't tune that frequency range. So coil's going to have to change if that's where he plans to use it. So effectively, there's nothing wrong with the tuner. It's working. It's functioning perfectly. Well, let's do a little review on this meter then anyways. It's an Audition model SWR-28. It's a this meter, it is a SWR power modulation, field strength, and matcher with a monitor built in. Put up your headphones and you hear your modulation on this rig. Nice little tuner meter. If you're tuning your load here on these two knobs, you turn off your tuner on the top switch there, either off or on. You have a switch here in the center of your screen on the top. Your power is the field strength or modulation switch. The center switch is for the 1 watt, 10 watt, or 100 watt setting, depending on what you're trying to test. And the bottom switch is for your forward reflected field strength or modulation. And you got your slider there for setting your adjustments. And this is the inside of the meter. This section here is the antenna tuning section, your switching, and your metering. You have three variables here. Three of these control your signal on your meter. One for 1 watt, 10 watts, and 100 watts. So if your meter is out of calibration, these three variable resistors here are the ones you would set for to put your power where it should actually be shown on your meter. So not bad, nice little thing. A bunch of diodes and stuff. It's an older tuner, no doubt, but it serves a purpose and it tunes CB frequencies really well. So that's about all I can say about it. Nice little tuner. Needed no repair other than to tighten the clamp that holds the meter in place. It was loose, so I tightened this up. So the meter was that loose, you actually push it inside the unit, but she's good and tight there now. She won't move anymore. So there you go. That's it. That's the tuner.
Hello, hello, hello.